Welcome back to TF Designs with yet another episode. Today we shall look at ideas for wall decor above the couch. When it comes to designing the interior of the home, we are mainly focused on the big picture. How and where to place the furniture, how to use lights, and choose textile patterns and textures. We have collected a number of ideas to get you inspired and help with the planning. 1. Mirror. A great idea if you need to make your space look a little bit bigger or wider. Simple and classy, it will fit in any interior, with no extra colours and volume to the walls. 2. Pairs of frames hanging arts and pictures on the wall can be a little tricky if you don't have your layout planned. You need to measure and consider the other elements of the room to make sure the display doesn't overpower the room. 3. Shelving decor above the couch. This wall decor above the couch is probably the most useful and easy to do. There are variations in the shelf styles and colours. 3. One-piece wall decor. You are solving your empty space problem immediately and you do not need to think about adding smaller pieces of decoration or colours. 4. Abstract art. You can simply craft your own piece and make it look stylish and expensive. 5. Combination of shelves and arts. Adding a floating shelf underneath with some small texture and colour details, the room atmosphere is changing in a completely different way. 6. Wall decoration above the couch with colourful book. Give your books collection a leading role in the interior of your home and you will be fascinated by the result. Definitely your house will have a soul and a lovely atmosphere for your guests. 7. Play all in. There are a lot of good quality wallpapers which will give a different feel to your interior. Use stickers and special paint coat for more texture and effects. 8. Travel the world. Travel the world while you are sitting on your cozy couch. A creative idea to decor your wall above the couch. You can get the effect by stickers or 3D elements. 9. Shadow box styled shelves. Of course, adding some small items, books and flowers also dress them differently and could change the interior line. It is all about your preferences and current mood. 10. Art gallery display. You could combine your favourite art pieces and mix them up with your personal photos for the perfect wall decor above the couch. 11. A living wall decor above the couch. You can achieve the vision even in smaller spaces. 3 to 5 honeycomb shelves and some green pots are enough to get a little jungle on your wall. 12. Multiple frames. Similar to the art gallery pieces, decoration with multiple frames is a creative way to emphasize your own style and give a spirit to your home. It is important that it reflects the overall aesthetic of the room. 13. Symmetrical collection. For the perfectionists, symmetricity is the only possible way to optimize their living space, clothes in the closets, and of course all decoration they have at home. 14. String lights. Maybe because of the Christmas association or simply because they just bring some cozy mood. You can make them even more special as adding them clips with your photos. 15. Wall panelling. It adds texture interest to the wall right away, so if you want to dress the space above couch, you don't need to do too much. 16. Pop of colour. Bright colours bring positive emotions and joyful atmosphere. Be brave and experiment with some bold decisions in your interior. 17. Mural wall. Decor above the couch. Make a statement with this type of wall decor. The entire wall will be covered according to your personal desires. Animals or flowers, exotic beaches or abstract lines and shapes. It is all about your style. 18. Boho wall. Decor above couch. An elegant way to add an accent to the dark palette wall and to keep it splendid, clean and simple. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the notification bell so that when we upload a video you are notified. Thank you.